For the motorcycle, you use 3 260s. I have 2 greens for the main body, and then an accent color I'm using Mocha Brown. Alright, blow that first green up with about this much left over at the end. And that second one's going to have about 6 or so fingers left at the end. And this one you just need a little bit for that seat of the motorcycle. Alright, grab that first one that doesn't have as much air in it. This is going to be the front of the motorcycle and handles. So start with a 1-inch bubble and go ahead and do a loop twist next there. And this front part's going to be the wheel. So twist that around and push that bubble right in the middle of that loop twist we just made. Alright, we'll twist another section in there, the few-inch bubble. And then we're going to do a 1-inch bubble and pinch twist that. And then we'll go up here and make one of the handles. So right about there. Do one more 1-inch bubble with a pinch twist. And at this point, we're just going to take the rest of that off. All right, go ahead and tie that into place. I like to push it through right there so it locks it in. So that's the front wheel and one of the handles. Now we're going to grab that second green balloon there. I'm going to start with a 1-inch bubble and pinch twist that. So we're going to bring that nozzle around, twist it together, and push it through that opening. And this is going to be the top of the other handle. So you want this next section to match the other one, right about there. And then twist that next section right underneath there, under that pinch twist. Just wrap that around. All right, bring that balloon down now. So it's starting to look like a motorcycle. We'll twist right there. It's going to be the underneath of the seat. Make a 1-inch bubble and twist that together to make a pinch twist. All right. Now make another bubble there. And another pinch twist with a 1-inch bubble. Now we're just going to finish it off with the back wheel. So we're going to make a loop twist there. And you make that the same exact size as the one, or you can make it bigger, kind of like a chopper. So wrap that around. Now we're going to match the same style of the front wheel by making a 1-inch bubble here, and we're going to take the excess off, tie it, and then push it into that loop twist in that wheel. So pull that off right up there so you have room to tie with. Go ahead and tie it. All right, now you can push that small bubble you just made into that loop twist. Right in there. And get everything positioned where you need to. And this is the basic motorcycle. We're going to add one more feature here to spruce it up a little bit. So grab that third 260. In this case, we have the Mocha Brown. And that nozzle is going to go in right above that pinch twist at the bottom of the seat. So twist that in. And you just need a little bit of this balloon. So enough for the seat, and then twist that right in there underneath that pinch twist above the back wheel. And then go ahead and pull the rest of that off. You don't need it anymore. Make sure you tie that, or just hide it in place and wrap it around. All right, that is the motorcycle. Looks great.